What's up, everybody? It's MrUknowwho, and today, guys, I'm bringing you a new video on what's going on in the PS4 hacking community. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the new update to XLink Kai. So if you're unfamiliar with what XLink Kai does, it allows you to play games over a LAN connection. It doesn't matter if you have the original firmware or if you've been banned. As long as the game supports LAN, you could use XLink Kai. So before, you couldn't use XLink Kai for PlayStation 4, but now it's possible. So let's go over to PSXHAX and see the article on what I'm talking about. So as you guys can see, here's the article. It's only a couple of days old, and you can see that XLink Kai has been updated to support PlayStation 4. So in the near future, if your console gets banned and that game that you have supports LAN, well, you can use XLink Kai and still play with your friends. You won't have the full function, obviously, as if you are on the PlayStation Network, but something is better than nothing. So let's take a look at the article and you can see more on XLink Kai. So what I like about XLink Kai is that it also supports other consoles. Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 2, Xbox 360, and so on. But I would advise you guys to download this program. I'll provide the link in the description box as well as the tutorial link so you guys can set it up. But in the event that PlayStation 4 gets console banned, like you do something that you ain't supposed to be doing, or they find out a way how to mod online, you can still play XLink Kai. But there are only a handful of games that you can actually play on LAN. And like they said before, just because you have the LAN in the game doesn't mean that it will work with XLink Kai. Most games should work, but it's not guaranteed. You would have to test a LAN connection with XLink Kai to make sure that it works. Now, as far as setting up XLink Kai, it's really not that hard. It's not that time consuming. And if you follow the directions, you shouldn't have a problem. So, as you guys can see, I'm going to click on the actual tutorial to set up XLink Kai for PlayStation 4. And like I said to you before, this will be included in the description box if you want to take a look at it or if you want to try it out on your console. Be my guest. So as you guys can see, you're gonna need an XLink Kai account, and that's not hard to set up. That's just a few seconds and you're done. But I'm just gonna scroll down so you guys can see the process on how to set it up. And it's not that complicated. If you follow the step-by-step instructions, you shouldn't have any problems. And if you have a problem, just go back to one of the steps and you should be good. But I want you guys to know about this so that in the event, like I said, you do get console banned, you can have an alternative to still play with your friends. Not too many people know about this, and I can't really say if a handful of people use it, but I've been knew about it. I just had no need of using it, but I like to keep things just in case if something goes wrong and I need it. I'd rather have it but don't use it, but need it and don't have it. So, something to think about, something that you may want to download and store for later, just in case someone you know may need it or you may need it yourself. Now, for me, I do like this. It's something, like I said, to have. I don't see myself doing anything illegal to want to use this, but, curiosity kills the cat. Some people like to do things they ain't supposed to be doing, and then when shit happens, they like, what do I do? Well, I'm giving you the information. You know what to do. You know how to use it, just in case you're one of them people who want to be curious and do shit you ain't supposed to be doing. But I don't want to make this video too long. Think about it. Come look at it. It's something that, you can use, especially if you have a PlayStation 3. And I know a lot of people got console banned on that console. So do think about it. Do come read the article. It's something you guys should know. But as always, like I said in my previous video, it's the holidays. I'm waiting for that conference to go on. I'll be the first one to drop it on my channel so you guys can know about it. But as always, I thank you guys for watching my video. Wait for the conference to come. The good stuff is coming. It's only a couple of days away. And once it comes, you guys will be the first to hear about it. Do be safe for the holidays. Don't do anything crazy. Just chill and relax. As always, I thank you guys for watching my videos, supporting my channel, and peace.